Good day. Thanks for stopping by. I'm Peace Efimena Peter, and today we'll be looking through a series. The first topic in our series is number base. We're preparing for JAMB. We have certain questions we'll be looking at in preparation for JAMB, certain topics that we'll be looking at also in preparation for JAMB. If you don't want to miss out on anything, subscribe, like, and share, and remain part of this family. Also, just below this video, there'll be a link for you to be able to download the PDF we have solved from 2004 to 2024 of all questions on number base. Now, and this video is going to be in two parts. This is part 1 of the video. Let's get to work. Question 1. 4243 base 5 minus 13x4 base 5 is equal to y344 base 5. Now, how do we find x and y? That's the question. And this is a question for 2004 in JAMB. Now, how do we find x and y? The thing is, when you are adding, and when you're subtracting rather, in normal subtraction, you know, when we have to borrow from the other side, we are saying you add 1, it becomes, when you add it to 30 and 3, it becomes 13. It's like saying you're borrowing 10 and adding it to 3, that's why it's giving you 13. So here we are borrowing 5 from your number on your left hand side to the number on your right hand, and you're adding it to that number, so it becomes 5 plus 3, which is 8. Now 8 minus 4 is 4, and that's why we have 4 here. So we are borrowing from here. We have 3, you put it here, that's 5 plus 3, which is 8. 8 minus 4 is 4 base 5. Now you're also borrowing from this place, you have 1, you're borrowing 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. What would you subtract from 8 to give you 4, which is this 4 here, and that's 4. So that's why our x would just be 4. Now again, you're borrowing from here 3, you're putting it here, 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 minus 3 is 3, and that's how they got 3 here. Now 3 minus 1 is 2. Your y is equal to 2, and that's all for this question. So simple. If you don't get this question, please let me know in the comment section. You can also look through the PDF, and it will also help you. Thank you. Next question. Now to our second question. Evaluate 1011 base 2 square minus 101 base 2 square. And that's a 2007 question. Now, how do we go about it? If you look at it very closely, it looks like difference of 2 squares, and that's a square minus b square is equal to a plus b in bracket a minus b, and that's the same thing you're going to do. You're just going to put it in bracket 1011 minus 101 in bracket, open another bracket, 1011 plus 101. Now we're going to do this and then do this and multiply them together. So 1011 101 all in base 2. 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 0 1. Now we're borrowing from here. Remember, I'm borrowing 2. 2 plus 0 is 2, and 2 minus 1 is 1 base 2. Now we go to the addition. 1011 101 plus 1 plus 1 is 2. You come to the side and convert it to base 2. 2 into 2 is 1, remainder 0. 2 into 1 is 0, remainder 1. You read from down to up. So you have 10. So 2 in base 2 is 10. You write 0 here and carry 1. Same thing, 2, you write 0 and carry 1. 2 again, you write 0 and carry 1. And then you have 1, 0, base 2. Now you're supposed to multiply the both of them. It's just like saying 110 multiplied by 10,000, and that's just 110 plus 1 2 3 4 5 zeros base 2, and that will be your answer. Now, just for keeping, the next question is for you to try. Ensure you try it. It's something that you can do. I'm sure of that. Okay, so question 3, and this is for you. Like I said, you can do it through Christ who strengthens you. Compute this in base 2. Remember that when 1 plus 1 is 2, but you have to convert it to base 2, and that's 2 divided by 2, 1 remainder 1, and remainder 0, sorry, and 2 into 1 is 0 remainder 1, and that's 10. So every time 2 in base 2 is 10, so you write down 0 and carry 1. It's something you can try. Let me know your answer in the comment section. Remember, we have a PDF just in this video. There's a link after this video in the description box that you just tap on and you get to the PDF. You pay just 500 naira and you have it at your beck and call. Now we'll also be giving, this is part 1, so stay tuned, subscribe, like, and remember that this part 2 is coming, so ensure to watch it. Is that okay? Thank you very much. Remember, NMT succeeds when you love math. And I'll also say this: when you're preparing for JAMB, there are things that you need to know. Always revise the concepts. Always revise the concept. Wherever my videos I've given us just one tip for every video. One tip, and that is always revise the concept, and you must pray. Don't cheat. You can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Again, MMT succeeds when you love maths. Thank you.